निधाय हृदि विश्वेशं विधाय गुरुवंदनं बालानां सुखबोधाय क्रियते तर्कसंग्रहः शंकरं शंकराचार्यं केशवं बादरायणं सूत्रभाष्यकृतौ वन्दे भगवन्तौ पुनः पुनः ईश्वरो गुरुरात्मेति मूर्तिभेदविभागिने व्योमवद्व्याप्तदेहाय दक्षिणामूर्तये नमः। ओम शांति शांति शांति। प्रत्यक्षस्य लक्षणं प्रत्यक्ष प्रमाणं प्रत्यक्षस्य लक्षणं किम्? रॉन्ग।
प्रत्यक्ष ज्ञानकरणं।
प्रत्यक्ष ज्ञानकरणं प्रत्यक्षम। तो व्हाट इज देयर? ज्ञानकरणम क्या है? मैंने क्या पूछा? So there are two things. One is you have to either answer the right question. If you have made a mistake, immediately admit that it is my mistake. Don't say you asked the wrong question. My answer is correct. Answer is correct. मतलब मैंने पूछा what is 2 plus 2? Okay, you gave the answer 5. Then what is wrong? Well, the question is wrong. You should have asked 2 plus 3. Why did you ask 2 plus 2? ऐसा नहीं. My question was what is प्रत्यक्ष प्रमाणस्य लक्षणम. हाँ, वह प्रत्यक्ष प्रमाणम मैंने पूछा ना. एक रिकॉर्डिंग सुन लेना बाद में. तो प्रत्यक्ष ज्ञानकरणम प्रत्यक्षम. ओके. इंद्रियार्थ सन्निकर्षजन्य ज्ञानम, ये किसका लक्षण है? दिस इज द लक्षण फॉर व्हाट? प्रमा. ज्ञानम प्रमा. तो प्रमा प्रमाण भेद is always is confusing because it is written pratyaksham for both. That's why I specifically asked pratyaksha pramanam so that you don't get confused. But still you got confused. Okay. Pratyaksha pramanam jnanakaranakam. Correct? No. I said pratyaksha pramanam pratyaksha prama ज्ञानाकरणक. ज्ञानाकरणकम ज्ञानम प्रत्यक्षम. प्रत्यक्षम मीन्स प्रत्यक्ष प्रमा ज्ञानाकरणकम. सतर्क. So now what is प्रत्यक्ष प्रमाणम?
प्रत्यक्ष ज्ञानकरणं
प्रमाणम.
प्रत्यक्ष प्रमाणं.
And what is प्रत्यक्ष प्रमा? इंद्रियार्थ सन्निकर्षजन्य ज्ञानम प्रत्यक्षम ज्ञानाकरणकम. तद्विविधम निर्विकल्पकम सविकल्पकम च. So this is something that Nyaya has accepted. We don't accept that there is a nirvikalpaka pratyaksha and there is savikalpaka pratyaksha. In this is tadvividham means प्रत्यक्ष ज्ञानम इज द्विविधम द्विप्रकारकम. निर्विकल्पक प्रत्यक्ष सविकल्पक प्रत्यक्ष. तो वी डोंट एक्सेप्ट इट बट दे एक्सेप्ट इट. हाउ? दी सिंपल दृष्टांत इन वेदांत परिभाषा दैट इज गिवन इज फॉर ए चाइल्ड. फर्स्ट टाइम व्हेन ही गेट्स सम नॉलेज, ओके, then that jnanam will be nirvikalpakam because there is no purva sanskara, and now this knowledge, he does not know how many things to gather about this one thing. Okay, so that jnanam they consider it as nirvikalpakam. Here they also have similar idea. What is their idea? in that jnanam there is no visheshana. Kinchid asti, something is there. So that jnanam they call nirvikalpam. Nirvikalpam is that jnanam where visheshana is not known. Like pata is there, but I don't know anything about pata. Even though when you see pata, immediately pitaha pataha, this you know. It is folded, that also you can see. This much you know. As again, pata which is open. What is this called? In which kind of karma is this? Against karma of akunchana, and this is karma. This karma is akunchana karma because we folded. So that folding kriya is done here. And if is prasarana. So this is visheshana because this pata distinguishes itself from prasarita pata, pata which is spread out. That much knowledge we gather. But before this knowledge comes, in the prathama kshana, prior to this is nirvikalpak jnana. That jnanam is nirvikalpaka pratyaksham. This is how they say. And then later it is savikalpaka. Like in ghata, so ghatatva is associated with it. That jnanam you get later. So this is how savikalpa, definitions, lakshanas are given, but they just distinguish in this way. Savikalpaka and nirvikalpaka. Bauddhas, on the other hand, see, we say all jnanam is savikalpaka. Bauddhas will say all jnanam is nirvikalpa only. But their idea of nirvikalpa is different. See, in Vedanta we say savikalpaka. Be alert and listen. In Vedanta, when we say savikalpaka, what is our idea of vikalpa first? Because what is savikalpa? Vikalpena saha vartate tat savikalpakam. That which has vikalpa is called savikalpaka. Okay? So what is vikalpa in Vedanta?
Differentiated knowledge.
Different क्या?
Differentiation method. All
No.
different.
Everything is different only. We say everything is savikalpaka jnanam. What is vikalpa?
Modification.
No.
Alternative.
See, this is how Acharya will know what is the clarity in your understanding. Each shabda, how you have understood. Some answer though we will have because we all use that word. Shastriya uttar is pramata, pramana, prameya. This triputi is called vikalpa. So, aham patam janami. So, this is vikalpa. Any jnanam will have vikalpa. Means there will be one pramata, there will be pramana, there will be prameya. This is how Vedanti say every jnanam will be savikalpa. Brahma jnanam will be क्या गलती देखो, क्यों ब्रह्म ज्ञान में प्रमाता होगा कि नहीं, ब्रह्माकार वृत्ति होगी कि नहीं,
ज्ञानम में हो.
तो ब्रह्म ज्ञानम विल बी सविकल्पम. But before answering, first you have to listen, then think, then open the mouth. Brahma jnanam is savikalpa. Brahma is पहले ही मैंने कहा सब ज्ञान सविकल्प है, तो ब्रह्म का ज्ञान कैसा होगा? निर्विकल्प होगा तो ज्ञान कैसे होगा? यहाँ तक कि अप टू दिस एक्सटेंट दैट इन वेदांत व्हेन वी से देयर इज निर्विकल्पक समाधि, देयर ऑल्सो वृत्तिज आर देयर. Only thing is they are not known to you. So vritti is there means Paramata is there. So nirvikalpaka samadhi also according to Vedanta is savikalpa only. Yoga darshan has different idea. So every darshan has different idea about these things. Okay, if you are getting confused, just keep yourself to Nyaya, current topic, Savikalpakam Pratyaksham, Nirvikalpakam Pratyaksham. Okay. Now let us kam jnanam nirvikalpakam यथा निष्प्रकारकम ज्ञान, निष्प्रकारकम ज्ञानम. सो विशेषण विशेष्य and sambandha is not known, that is called nirvikalpakam. Nishprakarakam jnanam is nirvikalpakam. Prakara is visheshana, and drishtanta they have given yatha kinchididam, something is there, kinchididam, kinchid was something. So example is ghatatva. Ghatam is nishprakarakam. See, ghata has prakara. When you get ghata jnanam, what is the prakara? Ghatatva is the prakara. But ghatatva prakaraka jnanam or ghatatva jnanam, घट ज्ञानम इज घटत्व प्रकारकम. घटत्व ज्ञानम इज निर्विकल्पकम बिकॉज घटत्व, व्हाट इज द प्रकार इन घटत्व? घट हैज घटत्व प्रकारक. घटस विशेषण इज घटत्व. घटत्व विशिष्टो घट. बट इफ यू से घटत्व ऑल्सो हैज ए विशेषण, देन यू विल हैव टू से घटत्व त्व. Then it will become anavastha. So ghatatva is nishprakarakam. Ghatas huh?
Ghatatva itself is not visheshana.
Is visheshana for ghata. So ghatatva does not have visheshana. Ghatatva does not have prakara. That's why ghatatva is called nishprakarakam, and therefore it is nirvikalpakam. Another point you have to note, ghata has ghatatva prakara. Ghata has ghatatva prakara. What has ghata prakara? Ghata has घटत्व प्रकार. What has घट प्रकार?
घट and pot में क्या फर्क है?
No. घटवत, if घटवत ज्ञानम is there, its prakara is घट. घटवत ज्ञानम has घट प्रकार. What is घटवत ज्ञानम? You know, घटवत भूतलम, घटवत भूतलम. What is the विशेषण for भूतल? घट. घट वाला भूतल एज अगेंस्ट बिना घट वाला भूतल. घटवत भूतलम मीन्स अत्र भूतले घटो वर्तते, तत्र भूतले घटो न वर्तते. ठीक है, तो दैट भूतल एंड दिस भूतल देर इज भेद. सो देर इज दिस हैज अ विशेषण. व्हाट इज द विशेषण? घट. घट इज विशेषण. सो दिस भूतल विल बिकम घटवत. सो प्रकार इज घट.
घटन.
ये सब है ना एकदम स्पष्ट होना चाहिए आपको. मतलब सभी चीज़, 4 प्रकार का सामानाधिकरण है वो भी स्पष्ट होना चाहिए, और सविकल्प निर्विकल्प क्या है वो भी स्पष्ट होना चाहिए. और यहाँ पे सविकल्पकम निर्विकल्पकम क्या प्रकार है, ये सब जितना स्पष्ट होगा ना हर एक चीज़, उतना ही आपको. देखो, वाई डू वी स्टडी प्रमाण विचार? वाई डू वी स्टडी? whatever knowledge we have gathered, we have to check whether my knowledge is correct or not. If it is not from pramana, my knowledge is incorrect. Before making any decision in life, first I have to know whether my information is right or wrong. This is how praman vichar is going to help you in life. Praman vichar is not to answer few questions in class. This is not why we study praman vichar. In your life, every decision you are going to make is based on pramana. Shastra pramana. Shastra, you have to take it as praman. In Shastra something is said that has to be correct. This is pramana. Like if I see through pratyaksha pramana something, my information is valid. Like that, everywhere you have to use pramana. Person who knows more pramana and knows how to use those pramanas, that person's prama will be much better. Based on that, whatever decision he or she will take, it will be accurate. I'll give different example. Let us say there are 2 countries. Okay, they want to know about what is their army strength, what is their military base, where they are located, how far they. Why do they want to know all this? Why do they want to verify all this information? How many are there? Is it correct? What is the technology? How advanced they are? So that in case if these 2 countries they fight with each other, you don't want to lose your land, you don't want to lose your people. With minimum loss, you want to win. So more information, more accurate information is what you want to. This is called prama. तो प्रत्यक्ष से कुछ they find out, अनुमान they will do, शास्त्र प्रमाण, different means they will employ. So praman vichar is for this purpose. How accurate I am in my thinking, how much data I have gathered, and based on that, how I take decision. In that you need vairagya also. Because if praman has said something and my emotions want to say something, so then even if you have best praman vichara, best prama, you will take decision based on emotion, it will be wrong. Because you are apramanika, you yourself know it. So the Shastra, the study is done, pramana, in Darshana Shastra, is for this purpose. About Atma is one thing, but about all Vyavahara, first you have to gather right information. Second thing is, when you speak, if you speak something which is apramanika, you will be, others will lose faith in you immediately. Why? Because this person speaks without thinking, or this person does not have right pramana. Over. That's why if you don't know, if you want to speak based on pramana only, you have to speak. So all these things, see, our earlier generations, Acharya, they knew all these things. Based on that, with minimum sentences, they did the best Vyavahara. And now, you speak so many things, and still all Vyavahara gadbad only. Because one person says something, has some erroneous information, another person understands something totally different and wants to do something different only. ऐसा नहीं चलता. निष्प्रकारकम, हाँ, so घटवत भूतलम. घटवत is विशेषण. So घटवत भूतल means घट वाला भूतल. तो घट is the विशेषण there. घट prakaraka it is called. Ghata prakaraka. Okay. Now let us see the Padakritya.
सविकल्पके अतिव्याप्ति वारणाय निष्प्रकारकम इति.
सविकल्पके अतिव्याप्ति वारणाय. If it was said ज्ञानम निर्विकल्पकम, ज्ञानम निर्विकल्पकam, so then what would happen? There would be ativyapti in savikalpa, because savikalpaka is also jnanam. So if you say jnanam nirvikalpakam, jnanam could be savikalpakam also. So that ativyapti varanaya nishprakarakam padam. Further read.
prakara varanaya jnanamiti.
And jnanam is given. If it was said nishprakarakam nirvikalpakam, what was there? Nishprakarakam jnanam was not said. Nishprakarakam nirvikalpakam. Then what would happen? Ativyapti would be in prakara. So prakara is also nishprakaraka. What he is trying to say? Prakara is also nishprakaraka. Nirvikalpakam is nishprakarakam. Prakara is also nishprakaraka. Because what is the prakara in prakara? What is the rupa in rupa?
Rupatva.
I just now told you, if you have right pramana, then you answer. What is my question? What is rupa in rupa? Rupasya rupam kim? Rupe rupam nasti. In guna there is no guna. Earlier itself I told you, guna is not in guna. Remember? What did I say? Guna and karma are in dravya. Guna is in dravya, karma is in dravya, everything is in Dravya. All abhavas are in Dravya. Prag abhav is where? Ghatasya prag abhava kutra asti? Huh? Kapale. Ghatasya prag abhava kutra asti? Kapale. घटस्य प्रागभाव घटे अस्ति. So all other dravyas, guna karma samanya vishesh samvaya, they all will be where? In dravya. Samvaya is also in dravya. So rupe rupam, there was one sentence I had told you, गुणेषु गुणानंगीकारात. In guna angikara is not there. We don't accept guna in guna. So rupa is nirupa. Rupa is nirupa. Rupa rahita. Rupe rupam nasti. In the same way, why did I give this example? Prakara. Prakara is nishprakaraka. So prakara is also nishprakaraka. If we don't give the jnanam shabda, then nishprakarakam nirvikalpakam, there will be ativyapti in prakara. Okay. तर्क संग्रह. प्रकार मतलब विशेषण. That's why we said, right? Ghatatva does like that. For sapakam, saprakara, adithoyam, dithoyam. Ditha means a is called ditha. Human form, a wooden doll, let us say. Ditha. I am dithaha. I am brahmanaha. This person is a brahmana. I am shyamaha. This person is not fair. Shyamaha. Krishna. So this is called savikalpakam jnanam. Why? Because some visheshan is there, ditha, because that distinguishes itself from other things. Correct? Ditha, brahmana, krishna, shyama ityadi. Tika. हाँ पढ़ो. ज्ञानम पदम. So if was not there, then what would be the vakya lakshana? Saprakarakam savikalpakam. So saprakarakam savikalpakam. So ghatadi, they are also saprakaraka. So saprakarakam, but ghata is not jnanam, right? It is dravya. So the lakshana would go in dravya. So it is not jnanam. That's why jnanam padam is given. Saprakarakam jnanam savikalpakam. Ghatadi varana jnanam iti. Nirvikalpaka varana saprakarakam iti. So if it was nam savikalpakam, lakshana would go in nirvikalpa also. So that's why it is given saprakarakam jnanam. So then lakshana will not go in nirvikalpakam.
that which has prakaraka, or is it prakaraka? Means like if I have to put it, is it ghata jnanam or ghatatva jnanam?
सप्रकारक इज प्रकारेण सह वर्तते इति सप्रकारकम.
So it could be ghata, not ghatatva.
No. So ghata is savikalpaka, but ghata is not jnanam. Okay, further now. Because earlier, what was the lakshana? Pratyaksha prama. So there sannikarsha word is there. What is the meaning of the word artha? Vishaya. Indriya artha sannikarsha. Janya jnanam. So now sannikarsha he has to explain. What is sannikarsha and how many types? Prat heturindriya wait. Samavayah संयोग वायः समवाय समवाय वायो भाव प्रत्यक्ष ज्ञान हेतु इज कॉल्ड इंद्रियार्थ सन्निकर्ष. प्रत्यक्ष ज्ञानम इज देयर बिकॉज ऑफ इंद्रिय अर्थ सन्निकर्ष, विदाउट विच प्रत्यक्ष ज्ञान वुड नॉट हैपन. सो प्रत्यक्ष ज्ञान हेतु इंद्रियार्थ सन्निकर्ष. दे आर सामानाधिकरण्य. षड्विधः, दिस इज ऑफ 6 टाइप्स. सो द इंद्रियार्थ सन्निकर्षः कतिविधः? षड्विधः. So they are listed after sanyogah. Second is sanyukta samvaya. So you have to have a dash there. In our book it is not there. sanyogah, sanyukta samavayah, sanyukta samaveta samavayah. So now you see samaveta and sanyukta. Explained. That which has sanyoga is called sanyukta. If there is sanyoga between these two, this is sanyoga or samavaya?
संयोगा.
So they are called sanyukta. Called sanyukta. Both are there. Similarly, here in this pata, tantu patayoho samavaya sambandha. So pata is samaveta, tantu is samaveta here. Tantu is also samaveta with pata. Pata is samaveta with tantu. But one is karana, another is karya. Sanyukta samaveta samavaya. Sambandha is between two. So these two are called sambandhi. So if samavaya sambandha is between pata and tantu, right? So both are associated with each other. They are called samaveta to each other.
You said, Swamiji, you said like Pata is in Tantu. Tantu is not in Pata.
But sambandha is samaveta. They are samaveta with each other. But one is in the other. Ashraya is one, ashrita is another. Sanyukta samaveta samvaya. Bhava. How? Okay. घ्राणज चाक तच्च प्रत्यक्ष is षड्विधम. ज रा श्रौत्र मानस. घ्राणजन्यम रास रस ज्ञानम रास. चक्षु संबंध श्रौत्रम संबंध संबंधी ज्ञान. What is said here? Taccha pratyak. Pratyaksham means Pratyaksha Jnanam. Pratyaksha Jnanam is 6 types. It can come from Granendriya or Rasanendriya or Chakshuri Manaha. So Pratyaksham Shadvidam. All these are the Bheda. Why they have given these? Because these words will be used later. Chakshusha Pratyaksha they will say. Means Chakshujanya Indriyartha Pratyaksha Jnanam. Indriyartha Sannikarsha Janya. So which Indriya? Chakshu Indriya Janya. And if it is Rasana, Rasanagana or Sparshana, they will say. Here, Tvacha is given, another word will be Sparshana Pratyaksha. Sparshana also word is used, means Sparsha Sambandhi. So, what they want is your medha has to be, buddhi has to be alert, occupied. Because otherwise, I already know everything is Brahman. बस एक वाक्य में पूरा जो भी आप कहोगे ये तो ये वो है बस. तो ये who will say this? आलसी, those who don't want to study. See, Brahmanistha, when they say everything is Brahma, they know it. जिनको नहीं पढ़ना है, क्या सब ब्रह्म तो है, एवरीथिंग इज ब्रह्म, तो दिस एंड भोजन में नहीं मुझे ये चाहिए वो चाहिए अलग अलग चाहिए, तो सब ब्रह्म है तो खाओ फिर, तो दैट इज नॉट राइट. To a Brahmanistha, you give anything, if they don't want to eat, they will not eat. Let's say you give something which is edible, okay, because you are testing, everything is Brahma, तो खाओ सब, तो बोले ठीक है. They don't worry if body will drop next moment. आत्मानं चेत विजानीयात् अयम अस्मीति पुरुषः किमिच्छन् कस्य कामाय शरीरम अनु. डिफरेंट. वो बाकी लोग कुछ नहीं पढ़ना है इसलिए हाँ सब ब्रह्म है सब ब्रह्म करके, फिर इसका क्या हुआ उसका क्या हुआ, 50 अदर क्वेश्चंस दे है, तो दैट इज नॉट ब्रह्मत्व. दोज हु हैव विरला टीका ऑन पेज नंबर 44, previous 1 or 2 page you see, they have घ्राण स्पार्शन in Virla. So the same sparshan is given. Ahead, that's Om Purnamidam Purnat Purnamudachyate पूर्णस्य पूर्णमादाय पूर्णमेवावशिष्यते. ओम शांति शांति शांति. शंकरं शंकराचार्यं केशवं बादरायणं सूत्रभाष्यकृतौ वन्दे भगवन्तौ पुनः पुनः. ईश्वरो गुरुरात्मेति मूर्तिभेदविभागिने व्योमवद्व्याप्त मूर्तये. ओम शांति शांति